Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive, based here in Merebrow between Preston and sunny Southport. And this afternoon I'm delighted to be showcasing our latest addition to stock, this lovely Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It's the C200 BlueTEC Sport Premium. So it's the latest 1.6 diesel engine with the G-Tronic Plus automatic gearbox. So Mercedes C-Class C200 BlueTEC Sport Premium. I emphasise the word premium because of the specification details this car has on it. The car was registered in 2015. It's on the 15 plate. If you're looking to obtain an insurance quotation from Go Compare or Compare the Meerkat, please use for your reference Alpha Papa 15 Bravo Mike Uniform AP15BMU. The car's covered just over 31,000 miles. The car has had 2 previous keepers. It's in Obsidian Black with the Grey Artico leather. Now it's not black with black, but black with grey. Beautiful leather, Artico leather interior. Really does set the car off. Makes the car nice and bright inside rather than the usual black with black, but I'll show you that shortly. As for the specification, please make a note. You can go onto our website www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk, just in case I've missed anything out. But let me start off with the 17-inch 5 double spoke Mercedes wheels, finished the diamond cut with the titanium grey paint. Lovely wheel. On the higher profile tyres, so a real comfortable ride on the roads. We have DAB digital radio. Car's got full Mercedes-Benz service history. It was last serviced in January of this year at 30,763. So the car's covered very little mileage in the last few months, more than likely down to the COVID. The next service is due in January 22 or 43,000 miles. We have heated front seats, memory package. So we have memory seats, mirrors and steering wheel. It's got the electrical steering column and all the adjustments for the seats and also the headrests. So the full memory package, panoramic electric glass sunroof, rear view camera, keyless go, the mirror package, park assist, which is the reverse camera and sensors front and rear, and importantly satellite navigation. Just going to take you around the car. I'll say it's just come into stock. The car as yet has to go to our local independent garage, who look after us for all our servicing, MOTs and the all-important pre-delivery inspection. So the car will be going to Holmeswood Garage next week for the pre-delivery inspection and the MOT, so 12 months MOT as well. And we'll also provide, as we do all our customers, with a written confirmation of the pre-delivery inspection and a copy of the invoice that we receive from the garage. So as you can see there, plenty meat left on them tyres. Lovely alloy wheels. Got the nice chrome work at the bottom of the sill, bottom of the doors, as well as around the door handles and around the window frame. You've got your big panoramic electric glass sliding sunroof, privacy glass in the excuse me, in the rear of the vehicle, onto the rear screen and round to the driver's side. So it's the, as I say, the C200, it's the 1.6 diesel auto. Lovely, lovely car. Just going to go into the boot, which is the power boot. So we have the buttons there to, you can actually hold it into different places, so we can have that and then lock it like so. That goes back down. I'll just demonstrate that again. There we go, and back up into position. We have the warning triangle. I'll just take out our paper mats. So we have the little stowage nets at either side of the boot. Good sized boot. We have the 60-40 split rear seating, and this just releases the seats on either side. All important locking wheel nut key, you know where it is. You've got a little sort of like tray that folds out in the boot, and the I've nearly forgot what I was going to say then. We have the tyre mobility kit. We have the fluid for the tyre mobility kit, and we also have the towing eye there as well. So no spare wheel, no run flat tyres, just the tyre mobility kit. So lovely paint finish. Again, just taking you down the side of the car. Granted, being black tends to show many marks, but to be fair, you're going to get the odd little stone chip which has already been touched in. Another one just there, but it is for the vehicle's age and mileage. Condition is all commensurate to its age and mileage, but a lovely, lovely example, I have to say. The best is yet to come. Just take a look at this interior. Beautiful. You've got the light grey on the door cards, finished with this brushed aluminium, topped with the black at the tops of the doors. Really, really does suit this colour, this interior. And you get the lighter headlining as well with the big pan roof. Just lovely condition. We also have, I'll just show you that, that's the cup holders there as well, and little stowage. And if I now just pull that centre headrest, there we go, that's your flat through the boot facility as well. Lift that back up, locks back into place. Same with this one, back into place. You've got the Isofix for the child seats as well. In the car, you've got the map reading pockets at the back, tailored mats. Just going to come round to the driver's side. So again, lots going on here. We've got the heated seats. We have the memory seating with all the electric functions for the seating, auto lock, power folding door mirrors. We have the, sorry, that's better. We have the electric windows all round. We've got the shut off for the rear to prevent children or adults from lowering your rear windows whilst travelling, and you've also got the boot release there as well. So the folding mirrors, there we go, and back out again now, just to highlight that. Your seating, so you've got the headrest here, just to show you, there we go. You have the recline. Go. We also have the front cushion for the seating, and then you have the height adjustment and forwards and back on the seat as well. And if I just put my finger under there and lift that up, you've got the height adjustment. There we go. So brilliant all-round seating position, really comfortable in this car. I say, being the sport premium, you get these additional features, which is brilliant. And with the Artico leather, you get the heated seats as well. Really nice feature. Chrome kick plate, lumbar support in the seating as well. Auto lights and auto wipers as well. Stop start for the engine. I'm just going to jump in the car. I'll just demonstrate the roof for you actually whilst I'm here. So that now gives us the tilt back down, back up, and then hit the button again there, push it backwards, and you'll see from the outside the pan roof go right back, and you've got this wind deflector as well here that closes when the roof is put back into position. There we go. Fabulous to have. I'm just going to jump in, straighten the steering wheel. We have over 37 years of experience here at Phil Weaver Automotive. We are very passionate about the motor industry, passionate about our business, and extremely passionate about the service that we provide our customers. If you haven't already done so, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader, our website, and Facebook and Google My Business. We have over 329 5-star reviews on Auto Trader, 30 or so on Google My Business as well. Very passionate about receiving our customer reviews, and as we say, each review is a customer experience. We also, through the COVID period, delivered many cars across the UK, and we are still delivering free of charge. And we also offer the click and collect service, but now our customers are able to come into the showroom. We work on an appointment basis, so you are able to be appointed, come into the showroom, have a look around the vehicle, take a unaccompanied or accompanied test drive. We have all the PPE. We're a safe environment, COVID safe business. You'll be looked after, and you'll have a tremendous buying experience, and we will certainly look forward to seeing you when you're ready to come and see this vehicle. 31,122 miles as we speak. You have a little bit of functionality on the multifunction steering wheel. You have the gear selector here, paddle shift for upshift through the gearbox. You have the wipers and indicators. You'll also see here the power steering column and cruise control and speed limiter. The DAB digital radio we have here. As you can see, we have AM internet radio. Obviously you need a connection for that. The AM, FM, and DAB. That's Rock FM, our local radio station. Great sound system in this car. You'll see the panel here mainly for the heating and the air conditioning, the menu, so you can adjust the temperature as well. It tells you the settings on here as I adjust here. So bags of technology in this car. Navigation with the map. So it's the SD card based navigation. I'll just pan out a little bit there to show you where we are here in the northwest. Just get out a little further. As I say, we're in between Preston and Southport. We have the media. Now unfortunately I can't just work the media for you because that will cut my phone off, and we've learnt so many times. But there are photographs on the website showing the media operation and telephone. There we go, and then the car settings as well. Lots of settings as regards to the setup of the vehicle. You can go into comfort mode. That's also displayed on the dash in front of the driver. And I'll just come out of that a second just to show you the additional features. There we go. So if we use the agility button here, bear with me a second, actually it's coming on here on the dash again there. So we have individual setting, we have sport, plus, sport, comfort and eco. So it's now operative on the dash, just took a little time to come through. So eco, comfort, sport, sport plus, and individual settings as well. Got a nice holder there with the 12-volt charger. 2 keys, importantly, book pack and the all-important locking wheel nut key. You know where that is. Everything that we do here in this control ends up displaying on the dash there. So you've got your touchpad here as well, so you can, as I'm moving that around there, you'll see the map spinning around as well. So it takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's quite a novel, quite a funky idea actually. Takes you back to the main menu, so navigation, radio, you can just scroll across like so, or you can use the dial to go across the screen. There we are. So lots of tech, lots of comfort, as I say, including that big pan roof, the memory seating, the mirror package, etc. Eats up the motorway mileage. These Mercedes C-Classes, fabulous car, great colour combination, the black, Obsidian Black with the light grey Artico leather. Just to highlight, with COVID, as I've mentioned, we are appointment basis only. We do sanitise and deodorise all our cars prior to collection or delivery. Please refer to our website for further details, philweaverautomotive.co.uk. We're big on social media. Please check out our, and if you wouldn't mind liking our Facebook page at Phil Weaver Automotive. We're on Twitter, we're on LinkedIn, we are on, we have Messenger, we have WhatsApp, Instagram. So big on the social scene. Check us out. Check the website out or give us a call, 01772 396 528, or feel free to give me a call on the mobile, 07817 463 888. It's been great showing you around this car. Just going to go for one last circle of the vehicle. Just to highlight as well, there are no nasty tobacco smells or pet smells in this car. As I say, it's been looked after, serviced up to date. Take us up on our free UK delivery, or click and collect, or come and visit us. Take an accompanied or unaccompanied test drive. Happy to do that. So we prepare the cars to a high standard. It's yet to go into the workshop for the pre-delivery inspection and MOT, but that will be done. Just with the weekend looming, just wanted to get the car advertised and get some photos on there. 100 plus photographs on the website, up to 100 on Auto Trader. It's been lovely showing you around the car. Look forward to catching up. Keep safe, keep well, and have a fabulous weekend.